right, just got in our reclining patio chair. We're gonna get it opened up and check it out. Has a cup holder for your armrest. Oh, this is really nice. Has your footrest on here. You can adjust the angle of your back. Lift up. It's got little catches under the arm rest right here. You can also lay back. Your armrest with the cup holder will slide on right there. And that comes with a mask if you want to lay out in the backyard and cover your eyes, and it'll make it a lot darker out here, and it comes with a dust cover. Great chair, whether you're sitting out by the pool, sitting at the lake, or right here in the backyard.